Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. Today we've got this 2004 Audi A2. This one is a 1.4 TDI Sport. It's the 90 bhp model. It's got 5 seats. It's finished in Mauritius blue with the grey leather, and it's done 72,000 miles. These things are slowly appreciating now. We've got a bit of a following for them, and if you know much about them, you will know that a 5-seat 90 bhp sport model is a rare old bus. It's in lovely condition. It's 20 years old, so don't expect a concours car, but it is very nice. It rides on the 17-inch 7-spoke alloys, 4 brand new tyres. It's just had discs and pads all around, new cam belt, full service, new battery. Absolutely lovely. Previous owner was an enthusiast. It's got a mountain of paperwork. It's had a few subtle upgrades. It's had a cruise control retrofit. It's got the Koni shock absorbers, which is a common upgrade to improve the ride quality. Just look how clean it is. Fully aluminium vehicles these are, so they don't rust. Good for 60 or 70 miles per gallon. Absolutely cracking bit of kit. Inside is superb. There's very minimal wear. We'll start in the boot. It's got your load cover all present. No spare wheel, I'm afraid, just the kit, but it's all there as you can see, and a brand new battery. It's got the matrix cloth and the silver grey, and as you can see there, it is the 5-seat. In the front, got a 3-spoke steering wheel, the sport seats with the electric lumbar support, your electric windows. All these switches are in really nice condition. These are very common for scratching. Headlight switch is still in good order as well. It's got the black floor mats fitted. It's a full set of genuine ones. It's grey carpet underneath. Climate control panel is the hard button style, so there's no damaged buttons, and as you can see, the radio is very good. A bit of wear on those 3, but nothing untoward. As I just switch the ignition on, you will see that the mileage is 72893, and I'm going to start the vehicle so you can see there's no warnings. Typical 3-cylinder diesel engine, quite loud, but totally normal for one of these. It's got the cruise control just there. It's also had an extra 12-volt socket retrofitted just there for your sat nav, cup holders, and that's really it. A very special car, quite rare and quite unique. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.